Hi everyone, welcome back to Rooted in Design. Today I want to touch base on ADUs, which are accessory dwelling units, and multifamily homes. Out here in Long Island, it's becoming very low in inventory of finding homes and they're getting very pricey. So adding an extra layer of income stream from that property would be very helpful for everyone. Or it might be that you have a multi-generational home and want your parents, your grandparents, your extended family who is going to be living with you to have that private space, like to be with you, but not really with you. So when it comes to elements like this, we really need to zoom into what the town allows in that area. So the zoning. So if you already have a property that is just a single family house, depending what town, we might be able to add that accessory dwelling unit for you. And for instance, town of Babylon, Islip, and Brookhaven allow it, which is great. But there are limitations. For instance, it has to be your primary home. So you have to be able to live there because if not, it becomes an illegal two family, which the zoning does not allow. So it's that little asterisk. So if it is your primary house, it's more easy to do things, and you just have to renew that apartment application every few years after you officially permitted it. I would say to remember that septic systems, if your house has that, we need to make sure that gets sized properly, and it would require a health department application. So it's a little bit more of investment, but it brings that stream of revenue that you may need. And if you already have a two family home or you are in a two or three family zone, we can find ways to really lay out that home properly to bring the best return on investment for you to have the most rentable space as needed. In some situations, you may have a lot that maybe it's big enough where we can subdivide and make it into two one families if it's not a two family home. Or if it is zoned for two families, maybe, and you right now do have those two families, checking how we can maximize the additional space we can build on to make those units bigger so you can get more rent from it, or adding certain elements that put your apartments top of the market for people to really want to like live there. There's more nuances to all of this, but I'd be happy to chat with you since a lot of it is very circumstantial and depending on the town. Just know that Suffolk, it's easier to get these elements done, and in Nassau, it's very hard. So if you're looking for a specific area, I can do the research for you to make sure it's feasible for you to bring that idea to life. Thank you.
Are you a homeowner who is looking to expand your home so you have enough space for everything you need in your home? Or do you want to renovate because the interior just doesn't work for your needs anymore? Or are you someone who's looking for a property, but nothing that you've been looking at really fits what you need? Well, my name is Katherine Serrano Sosa. I'm the founder of Rooted Architecture Studio, and I can help you bring those renovations and adjustments to life. At Rooted Architecture Studio, we focus on creating meaningful, inclusive, client-centric designs for homeowners and investors. We walk you through the whole process of design and construction and making sure that you understand what's going on, but take away all the layers so you can sit back and just focus on the deliverables of what we're designing. We make sure that your non-negotiables are integrated and your wants and needs are integrated to the best of our abilities. So if you are looking to do anything that I just discussed, or just have ideas that you might want to talk about what the possibilities may be, give us a call and reach out through social media as well, and we'll be happy to help you. And if you're looking for a new property, make sure to connect with Dream Select Realty. They're the right people to help you find the right property for you and make sure that your needs are integrated. Or if we're renovating, we can all collaborate together to bring that vision to life.